Hello everyone. Hope you all are safe and staying at home. In this time of pandemic, when we have to spend all our time at home and we feel anxious about the situation everywhere, TV and social media create more panic. I feel this is the time for us to relax and do something positive that can keep us calm and focused. I personally do meditation every morning, and because of that, I stay balanced the whole day. Drawing and painting also can bring calm and peace to our mind. Even if you are not a creative person, mandala drawing is an art that anyone can do it. In today's video, I will tell you all about mandalas. What are the things you need and how to start mandala drawing. You can consider subscribing if you are new here. With this note, let's start today's video. If you really want to start drawing a mandala, then you don't need to buy anything right away. You can start it with just a paper, pencil and an eraser. And you are good to go. And if you want to buy some basic supplies, then I will tell you what you need and I am giving all the links in the description. So first you need a proper paper. I recommend this white A4 size paper that is little thicker than regular paper. I think it is 200 plus GSM. Next you need a compass for making circles. Any regular compass will work. You will need a regular scale, pencil and eraser also. I use Brusto technical pens and Micron pens. Initially you can use any gel pens. You just have to be little careful that they should not smudge your mandala. The most convenient tool for mandala drawing is this 360-degree protractor. For making mandala grids, this is a perfect tool. You can use half protractor also if you have at home. So this was the list of all the basic things you need. First I will show you a mandala without any tool. It is better to start with smaller size in the beginning, and then slowly you can graduate to big size mandala. I am taking this 4 into 4 inches paper. For finding its center, make diagonal lines and make circles. You can use any circular object also to make circles. Now we have to divide it into parts to make a grid. I use 360-degree protractor to make grid, but if you don't have it, you can just cut a circle of same size as your mandala and fold it in half and then again half. Keep folding it until you get desired sections. Then use this paper to make the grid. After making the grid, mandala making becomes so easy. Just use this grid to make petals and any designs you like. It looks so intricate, but really it's so easy to make. You will enjoy making this art so much that you won't be able to stop.